I will talk about how can you save this sign or know how you can do that with your CallApp. So you just follow this ways then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go up of your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go up of this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down. You come here to show you come here to show not answered card. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean show not answered card disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.